Hello, this is Laura Reichard with MarineMax in Columbia, South Carolina. Going to do a quick walkthrough on the 210 SPX Sea Ray. Has a large sun deck on the back with the sea decking on it. Has a 250 horsepower stern drive motor, MerCruiser. Has a snap-in carpet woven. Large sun deck, storage on this far corner over here. Has your sports tower on it with bimini top. Has a battery cut and on and off switch on this one also. Little door that flips over and closes for you. Plenty of large cup holders. Has the flip seat on the passenger side so you can lounge or flip it back and be able to sit side by side with the captain's chair. This will also lift up. So you have a little backrest set up here if you want to watch people sitting on the back area. This also lifts up where you can see your motor. Grab handles, speakers throughout. This has also a large glove box. Dry storage underneath here. Large key locker underneath here. Has USB ports and 12-volt charger. SIMRAD, chart plotter, depth finder, tachometers all right up here. Stereo system with Bluetooth. Has a cooler up underneath there also. Nice large seating up front with speakers. Everything is stainless steel upgrade. And this concludes the Sea Ray 210 SPX. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 803-732-1104. Thank you.